What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation back again with another video. And this is my Aston Martin Vantage, brand new 2025 in sage green. And we are going to have a day in the life with the Aston Martin Vantage, what it's like to own type of thing. Why are you looking at me like that, camera? She's looking at me like this. She's trying to question what I'm doing. Okay, so we're just going to go about the daily business, daily life, what it's like to own this car. We're going to take it to the computer store, Micro Center, because I got to get a couple computers for the office. And we're going to see if they fit. I don't even know if they'll fit in the back. So I'm clearing out the trunk space. And I noticed that, shout out to O'Gara, Aston Martin, they gave me some gifts. So you get some nice little gifts when you buy an Aston Martin. You got to get this hat. So maybe I'll do a giveaway. Best person to drop me a comment. Do you want this hat? All right. So the cameraman gave you guys permission to get this. So the best comment we get on this video, we're going to give you a free Aston Martin hat. All right. So drop me a comment as you're enjoying the video. I'm keeping this hoodie though. This hoodie is mine. In case y'all want to see it, let me show you what they gave me. Shout out to Nassim. Yeah, that's nice, right? So I got a hoodie. I'm keeping this though. I gotta keep something to remember buying a car this expensive. The cost of this car was man, 240 grand. I'm ashamed and embarrassed to say that. But what's this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, look, candle. I'm gonna get that to you. You want this candle? You can burn this candle in the bedroom or something. We got a candle. Oh, we got a James Bond book. Maybe we'll give this to you as well. Whoever, if you're an Aston Martin fan and you win the hat, we'll give you the book as well if you want it. And then we got something else in here. We're opening up gifts today from, I don't even know what it is. Oh, nice. I could use that keychain. So I'm sorry, but I'm keeping that right there. I need that right there. All right, so the hat, man, what did I do with it that fast? I'm getting old. Getting old, fellas. Well, let's move this stuff out the way because I gotta make room. I don't know what this is. What's this right here? Oh, it's heavy. What's that? Take a guess. Drop me a comment what you think this is. Let's open it up. It's heavy. I don't know what it is. Super heavy. Let's see. Ah, what is that? It's like a Cohiba or something. What is that? I don't know what this is. It's heavy. It's a box with some books. Oh, these are my operation books. Oh, there's where I put my keys. Oh, that's sweet. So that's my operation book, Aston Martin book. That's pretty sweet. Wow. All right, so I got a key holder. Man, this stuff takes up space. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put this in my house. This stuff, but it's a nice touch, you know, for an expensive car. It's a nice touch. Let's see. All right, but let me move this stuff out the way so that we can make room for the computers. But apparently you guys like this car. I'm wondering, is this car gonna be the most popular car on my YouTube channel? It's possible. So let me throw this in the house. I'm sure you guys can still hear me talking.
Welcome to Will Motivation. Where motivation leave out all the hating. This is Motivation Nation, where we have fun and make moves, so stop waiting. Man, around here we don't drink no beer. We crashing up dear, but don't have no fear. M4 gone, but we pulling up in a Aston. So fasten your seatbelts, no time for crashing. What's happening? No more politics, just follow this. Truth is hard, but you got to swallow it. With motivation, show you hating ain't the way. Positivity every day, make sure you get paid. Welcome to Wheel Motivation. When motivation leave out all the hating. This is Motivation Nation, where we have fun and make moves, so stop waiting.
I want to do the brakes in the same color to match the body color, but we'll figure that out. Let's go for a ride. Let's take this thing to go pick up some computers for work. All right, so we're going to start this thing up. I have the mic lapel on, so I don't know if we're going to actually be able to hear the background sound. Let me hit this button. Let's see what happens here. If you guys can hear the startup. There we go. Vehicle started. Got the Apple CarPlay in here. This is very convenient. I like the MMI interface. Like I said in my delivery pickup video, we will do a review of this car. But what I want to do before we do the review is I want to do a how to drive video. And so I got to get inside that book and learn how to operate everything. So one of the problems with this car that I found, I'm loving all of the changes and updates, and it's awesome. But this lane keep thing is bothering the hell out of me. So I have to come in here every time and turn it off. That kind of sucks. But let's go ahead and turn it off. Where is it at? Lane keep assist off. Yes, turn that ish off. Lane departure warning, turn it off. Off. That's the number one thing you got to do when you get in this car, is turn that off. I'm sure they'll have a software update where it should save those settings. I'm hoping. Hopefully it's not like a safety thing that they want to like turn that off or whatever. All right, so you have your garage door controls home link, which is really convenient. So as you're doing your daily run around activities, you program your home link to your garage. Uh-oh, who is this looking at me? One thing about driving an Aston Martin, your neighbors are gonna look at you and they're gonna be like, what is this dude doing with an Aston Martin? But hey, that's what we do around here. So let's see how easy or difficult it is to adjust the heating controls in this car. So let's see here. Temperature right here. Let's roll it up. All right, 76. That was easy. All I got to do is roll this dial right here and the temperature will go up. There's your temperature number right there, 76 degrees, 76 degrees. What I have not figured out yet is how to change that from 24 hours to a regular AM, PM setup. I'd rather that say 4 o'clock than 1609. So we'll figure that out. We do have the CarPlay. Let me see if I can put in Micro Center in here. It probably won't let me. Oh, it will let me. Micro Center. Let's see if it finds it. Come on. Searching. Wake up. It's a little chilly out here. So let's see what kind of power we have here. All right, I think the engine is still cold, so the acceleration is not that hardcore. Okay, finally found the Micro Center. My T-Mobile's been acting up today. T-Mobile, y'all need to get it together. All right, let's see. Do we have? Hopefully my microphone wasn't covered up.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right on Taylor Road.
All right, so man, this car feels good. I had before I bought the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, I had a 2020 Aston Martin Vantage, and this car feels a lot better than the 2020. Like the suspension and everything, it's smooth, it's comfortable. In case you're not familiar with this car, it has a lot of parts from Mercedes-Benz. It has the engine is from a Mercedes-Benz, and it is the AMG GTR engine that's in this car. It has like 656 horsepower, I believe, and like 600 foot-pound of torque, right around those numbers. So with that kind of horsepower and torque, the car will flat out fly. It has different driving modes. It defaults to sport mode. There's a dial right here. That will put you in Sport Plus mode, which will give you a little bit more responsiveness. Now let's see what happens if we put it in race mode. That's interesting. Race mode is not as aggressive as Sport Plus, it seems like. Or track mode, I'm sorry. I don't know, I don't get that. Maybe it expects you to manually shift the car with the paddle shifters in track mode.
In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit on Taylor Station Road.
All right, we're getting the car to warm up, that's all. All right, so we're chilling. So yeah, I mean, this car,
In 1,000
very comfortable.
at the roundabout.
We're gonna put it to the test as far as the capacity in the rear trunk, because I gotta get 2 computers, and hopefully those computers will fit
At the roundabout, take the
in the
second
rear
exit.
area of the car. So you guys stay tuned. That's what happens when you have a passenger. Passenger will throw you off. But the front roof line of this car is high, so you can barely see. All right, so man, I'm still kind of crooked. We just parked the car. We're going into Micro Center, and we're gonna grab the computers and see if they fit in the trunk. So wish me luck. This car has different colors depending on how sunny it is. So right now it's cloudy outside, and the car looks like a matte light green, almost mint, like sage green matte. But if the sun comes out, it looks brighter, a little lighter color. So let's go grab these computers real quick and keep it moving. Then we're gonna do a food vlog, living life with. I'm gonna ask my mom what she thinks about the car. I'm supposed to have dinner with my mom, and we'll get her reaction to it. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Ready? All right. So we got the computers. We ain't getting any shopping on video. These things are kind of heavy. So the question is, will they fit? It looks like they might not, but maybe we can get creative. So I don't know if you guys have Micro Center wherever you're located, but one of my favorite stores. I'm a computer nerd. So coming to get a computer is like Christmas. But they have all types of computers in there. Some of them that they build, some of them from other manufacturers. But the people that work there are usually pretty knowledgeable, which is something I like. So if you're looking for a computer, shout out to Micro Center. But they need to sponsor me for that. I wish. Oh wow, that looks like Reggie's car right there. The guy I'm buying this computer for, he has an RS5. And that looks like his car right there. The color is the gray color right there. You see it? It's like Reggie's car. All right, let's see. So we're approaching the Aston Martin Vantage. Look at the color, how it like changes. It looks darker today. It looks like two-tone. It actually looks like two-tone. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like 2 different colors. You see that? What the heck? Yo, that's crazy. Oh, so if it's in the shade, it looks darker and, man, it looks totally different in shade. Yeah, that's them flakes. All right, so the moment of truth is here. So let's see what we can do. So you got a button you hold the button down on the remote. That'll pop the trunk. Here we go. So let's set this down. All right, I'm gonna fold this thing down here to flatten that out. It's not looking like we have that much space, but let's see. Yeah, this is gonna be, let me see if it would even close. I don't even think it'll close. No, not even close. Not even close. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. We got one in. We got one in. Had to turn it sideways. Got a couple of little pieces here. I'll put one of these in my pocket. All right, now the next one, I'm gonna try to put it up towards the seat. You think it'll fit? This is what happens when you have a passenger. It's the passenger's fault. I'm not gonna be able to, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's try again. Nope. I don't think so. Now, one thing I could do is I could take it out of the box. No? I could take it outside of the box. Or put the box in the front with the passenger. It's gonna be a tight fit in there too. Let's see. It smells like antifreeze over here. Oh, the door was still open. Yeah. Oh yeah. Passengers. Passengers. Yeah, it's gonna be a tight fit. Como quiera. It's gonna be tight. All right. Now I'm gonna record the passenger. Have a seat, passenger. Have a seat. Let me record you now. All right, here's the passenger. Let's see if she can hold the box. Smells like antifreeze over here.
It's okay.
Oh, I feel bad for my passenger.
No, it's okay. It's not too heavy.
All right, let me close the door and see what happens. All right, so we did it. Let me see if I can close this. Let me make sure I can close this. Oh yeah, we're good. We're Gucci. All right, let me put this cart back. All right, so we're struggling with capacity at this point, but she's alive. She's alive. She's thugging it out. That's what you need. You need a good passenger that's not gonna be crying when you got your Aston Martin and you need to carry something. That's all you need.
Welcome to Will Motivation. Will Motivation, leave out all the hating. This is Motivation Nation, where we have fun and make moves, so stop waiting. Man, around here we don't drink no beer. We crashing up deer, but don't have no fear. M4 gone, but we pulling up in a Aston. So fasten your seatbelts, no time for crashing. What's happening? No more politics, just follow this. Truth is hard, but you got to swallow it. Will motivation show you hating ain't the way. Positivity every day, make sure you get paid. Welcome to Will Motivation. Will Motivation, leave out all the hating. This is Motivation Nation, where we have fun and make moves, so stop waiting. Now we walking around, looking at cars. Look at these bars, we black superstars, going real far. We talking about cars, Lamborghini, Ferrari, just putting on charge. Credit be good, 800 score. Back at the store, buying some more. But we play smart, follow your heart. Back from the start, we hitting the charts. Welcome to Will Motivation. Will Motivation, leave out all the hating. This is Motivation Nation, where we have fun and make moves, so stop waiting. Now we walking around, looking at cars. Look at these bars, we black superstars, going real far. We talking about cars, Lamborghini, Ferrari, just putting on charge. Credit be good.
Okay, so we're headed home after dinner, and the Aston Martin so far has been great. I'll tell you what, man, this car is really, really nice. If you're thinking about getting one, put it on the list, because once you drive one, it's gonna be hard to find a car that you enjoy more than this new 2025 Aston Martin Vantage.
It's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Will Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now, and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Will Motivation and support Will. I'm supporting them. You do the same.